Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to sell your crypto on the Binance app. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. Simply search for your Binance account and then open it. And then from here, as you can see, currently we are on the main homepage where it's going to show us all the cryptocurrencies currently running on the app and all the marketplaces. Now, for you to sell your own cryptocurrency coin, all you have to do is go to the bottom right section where you can see portfolio. And then from here, you can either select whatever cryptocurrency you might like, or simply click on the takeout, which is going to be next to the add funds on the top. Once you click on that, it will show you two methods. Either you can withdraw the cryptocurrency, or you can sell it to your financial account. Now, since you want to sell it, all you have to do is click on it. And then from here, it's going to tell you to choose whatever cryptocurrency you might want to sell. So for example, Tether USD. And then from here, you're going to select whatever amount you might want to fill. And then at the end, you're going to select the received amount. And then from here, you can select to either send it to your bank account or for it to be transferred to your cryptocurrency and then cash wallet right here. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.